Okay, so today we'll do one question, that is matching similar host and guests. We have to find the matching of host and guest in a pair that they both are of same gender and nationality, and we have to output the host ID and the guest ID of match pair. So we'll select distinct. What's the host ID? From Airbnb join guest on h dot gender and h dot nationality. And we'll output this just to see unknown column host ID. Okay, host ID, and we have to give guest ID also. Dot guest ID as guest ID. So this is our output. We'll solve, and here it is. So this question was easy, and we could use like CTE and then divide this into things, but this is more precise and short. So I hope it was clear. Thank you.